Over the course of the next 18 months, Kuwait is expected to acquire 13 Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft from Leonardo's Italian plant. Under the Eurofighter Kuwait program, Kuwait has ordered 28 of these aircraft in total. During his visit to Kuwait, Italian Defense Minister Guido Crosetto declared that his country will strengthen its bilateral ties with Kuwait, particularly in the area of defense. The two nations' cooperation is a prime illustration of how constructive bilateral relations can grow over time in a variety of domains. During the aircraft purchase phase, Crosetto clarified, Italian industry played a role in building the Eurofighter City at Salem Al-Sabah Air Base. Furthermore, pilots from the Kuwaiti Air Force have completed courses at the International Flight Training School in Italy. At the moment, pilots from Austria, Canada, Germany, Japan, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, and the United Kingdom are also housed at the school. The MBDA, Meteor Long-Range Air-to-Air Missile, Iris-T Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, and Captor-E ESA radar are all installed aboard the Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft. Along with Mk bombs, Brimstone 2 anti-tank missiles, Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and 1,700 rounds per minute single-barrel Mauser BK-27 rifles in 27mm caliber are also mounted on Kuwait's Delta-winged aircraft. In 2016, Kuwait bought 28 Typhoon Tranche 3A from the consortium of Eurofighters. The aircraft was supposed to start being delivered in 2019. However, it wasn't delivered until December 2021. The 4 Typhoon fighter jets that have been supplied to Kuwait thus far are tandem-seat models. According to Eurofighter, the Typhoon is the world's most sophisticated swing-roll fighter aircraft. Additionally, the aircraft is capable of supercruise, which allows for prolonged high-speed flying at speeds higher than Mach 1, 1,234 km/h. The project is a part of an ongoing effort by the Italian Ministry of Defense to conduct operations related to defense industrial strategy and foreign policy.